Hello guys, this is Gaurav and welcome back to my channel Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Well, in my last video, I have shown the clay work of this painting, and now in this video, I'm going to show you how I colored the clay work. For the list of the materials, please check the description box below. At first, take Prussian Blue and white, then mix them nicely and apply on Lord Krishna's face and neck. Now take skin color or flesh color and apply on Radha's face and neck. Well, if you don't have the flesh color, then take yellow ochre, a little bit burnt sienna and white and mix them properly to create the color. Now I'm applying pink on both of their lips. Now take crimson to color their clothes. Let me tell you one thing, that before applying colors, I have kept it for almost 24 hours to let it completely dry. After completely drying up their face part, we have to create some shades on the required places. For Krishna, apply a little bit Prussian Blue first and then in this way drag it by your brush with the help of water. After that, we have to do the same thing for Radha, but instead of using Prussian Blue, here we have to use burnt sienna. After that, take burnt sienna by using a 000 brush and color their eyelines and eyebrows. Now take black and color rest of the clay parts except the leaves and peacock's feather. If you want to learn how to make clay roses in 3 different methods, then you can check the video from the I button. Now take Sap Green and color the leaves and peacock's feather except its middle part. After that, take Prussian Blue or purple and apply inside the feather's eye. On the second ring, we have to apply Scarlet Lake or Indian Red. Now apply light blue on the first ring and let it dry. By using a 000 brush, take white and color Lord Krishna's tika and create new eyelines on both of their eyes. Now take golden yellow and in this way create 2 outer rings on the feather. After coloring the clay works, take burnt umber and cover the background, using a flat brush to save much time. Now in this way cover the background and let it dry. After completely drying up, take burnt sienna by using a dry brush and highlight Radha Krishna's hair and the frame as well. After completing this, I'm going to apply some metallic touch for more highlighting. At first, take metallic gold by using your finger and apply on their ornaments and the designs on their clothes as well. Now by using a sponge, take metallic copper and apply on the feather and the leaves as well. Now for the last finishing, take metallic bronze and highlight rest of the part of the frame by simply tapping the sponge in this way. So guys, our Radha Krishna clay mural painting has completed and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.